Welcome back to Mortgage Wisely. I'm your host, Dave Boswell. Canceling private mortgage insurance based off of the original value can be done either by contacting the lender directly and initiating that process, or by rule, there are natural ways that the private mortgage insurance has to be released by the lender. But before we get into that, let's talk about the definition of an original value. This is very important. The original value is based upon the lesser of the appraised value of the property when you bought the home or the purchase price when you bought the home. So let's use an example. So let's say you bought the home for $500,000, but the appraised value was $450,000. Well, in this case, the cancellation of private mortgage insurance is going to be based off of the $450,000. In terms of the lender being required to remove your private mortgage insurance based on the original value, they have to do this once the loan balance reaches 78% of the original value. So if you had an original loan amount of $100,000 and you paid that loan balance down to $78,000, then the lender will automatically remove the private mortgage insurance. However, it is based off of the original payback terms of the loan, so it doesn't include you paying extra into the loan to drive your balance down to $78,000 sooner. However, the other way that you can remove private mortgage insurance is by contacting the lender directly. If you self-initiate this process, the rules are a little different. You can actually do this once your balance reaches 80% of the original value. So to use the original example of a $100,000 initial loan amount, once you've paid $20,000 of that loan and now your balance is $80,000, that's when you can initiate the process to have the lender remove the private mortgage insurance. However, there is an exception to this rule that states that if you were to prepay your loan, whether it be monthly or maybe you had come into a commission check or a bonus and you're able to pay that loan down a lot quicker, it states that once you've reached $80,000, no matter what time frame that is, you can then initiate the process of having the lender remove your private mortgage insurance. And that covers how to remove private mortgage insurance based off the original value. In part 2, we're going to talk about how to remove PMI based off of a current value. So if you had an appraisal done on the home, then you can initiate a different process. But if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment below or give me a call. I'm happy to help, and we'll see you next time on Mortgage Wisely.